Namaste. I, JVN Dr. MP Sharma, Professor, Department of Physiology and Biochemistry, Faculty of Homeopathic Science, Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University, Jaipur. Today's my topic is gallbladder. So let us will discuss about the gallbladder. Bile secreted from the liver is stored in gallbladder. The capacity of gallbladder is approximately 50 milliliter. Gallbladder is not essential for life and it is removed in patients who are suffering from gallbladder dysfunction. After cholecystectomy, patients do not suffer from any major disadvantage. In some species, gallbladder is absent. Usually, the sphincter of ODDI is closed during fasting, and the pressure in biliary system is only 7 centimeter of H2O. Functions of the gallbladder. The major functions of the gallbladder are the storage and concentration of bile. Bile is continuously secreted from liver, but it is relieved into intestine only intermittently, and most of the bile is stored in the gallbladder till it's required. Bile is concentrated. Bile is concentrated while it is stored in gallbladder. The mucosa of gallbladder rapidly reabsorb water and electrolytes except calcium and potassium. But the bile salts, bile pigments, cholesterol, and lecithin are not reabsorbed. So the concentration of these substances in bile is increased 5 to 10 times. The pH of the bile decreases from 8 to 8.6 to 7 to 7.6, and it becomes less alkaline when it is stored in gallbladder. Gallbladder secretes mucin and add it to bile. When bile is released into bile is released into the intestine, mucin acts as a lubricant for movement of the chyme in the intestine. Due to the concentrating capacity of gallbladder, maintenance a pressure of about 7 centimeter S2O in biliary system, and this pressure is in the biliary system is essential for the release of bile into the intestine. Usually, the sphincter or DDI is closed during fasting, and the pressure in biliary system is only 7 centimeter S2O. And because of this pressure, the bile from liver enters the gallbladder. While taking food or when chyme enters into the intestine, gallbladder concentrate along with relaxation of a sphincter of ODDI. Now the pressure increases to about 20 centimeter S2O because of the increase in pressure. The bile of the gallbladder enters the intestine. Contraction of gallbladder is influenced by neural and hormonal factors. Now see the diagram, and through this diagram we can understand the reabsorption and absorption of the electrolytes and secretion of the electrolytes by common bile duct. By common bile ducts, bile ducts, bile acids and bile pigments, bile आवाज कम कर दें। So through this diagram, we can understand about the reabsorption and absorption of the electrolyte cholesterol in the liver and secretion. And this bile is bile acids and bile pigments, which are duodenum. Now, stimulation of the parasympathetic nerve vagus causes contraction of gallbladder by releasing acetylcholine. The vagal stimulation occurs during the cephalic phase and gastric phase of the gastric secretion. When a fatty chyme enters in the intestine from stomach, the intestine secretes the cholecystokinin, which causes contraction of the gallbladder. Bile secretion is a continuous process through the amount is less during the fasting and it starts increasing after meals and continuous for 3 hours. Secretion of the bile from liver and release of the bile from the gallbladder are influenced by some chemical factors which are categorized into the 3 groups: cholecalciferous, chlorazoles, hydrocholeretic agents. Now, substances which increases the secretion of the bile from the liver are known as choleractives. Effective cholerective agents are acetylcholine, secreting cholecystokinin, acid chyme in the intestine, bile salt, and collagen is an agent which increases the release of bile into the intestine by contracting, contracting, contracting gallbladder. The common cholegogies are bile salt, calcium, fatty acids, amino acids, inorganic acids, and all these substances stimulate the secretion of the cholecystokinin, which in turn causes the contraction of the gallbladder and flow of bile into the intestine. Hydrochloric acid agent is a substance which causes the secretion of the bile from liver with large amount of water and less amount of solid. Hydrochloric acid is a hydrochloric agent. Now, applied physiology. The jaundice or icterus is the condition characterized by yellow coloration of skin, mucous membrane, and deeper tissue due to the increased bilirubin level in blood. The word jaundice is derived from the French word jaune, meaning yellow. The normal serum bilirubin level is 0.5 to 1.5 milligram per deciliter. Jaundice occurs when bilirubin level exceeds 2 milligram per deciliter. Now, types of the jaundice. These are 3 types: prehepatic or hemolytic, hepatic or hepatocellular jaundice, post-hepatic or obstructive jaundice. Now, number 1, prehepatic or hemolytic jaundice is the type of the jaundice that occurs because of the excessive destruction of the RBC, resulting in the increased blood level of free bilirubin. In this condition, the excretory function of the liver is normal, but the quantity of bilirubin increases enormously. The liver cells cannot excrete the much excrete excrete the urine, so it is much excess bilirubin rapidly unconjugated. Bilirubin is insoluble in water and is not excreted in the urine. So it is accumulated in the blood resulting in jaundice. Formation of the urobilinogen also increase resulting in the excretion of the more amount of urobilinogen in urine. Any condition that causes hemolytic anemia can lead to the common causes of hemolytic jaundice are renal disorder, hypersplenism, burns, infections such as malaria, hemoglobin abnormalities such as sickle cell anemia or thalassemia, drugs or chemical substances causing red cell damage, autoimmune disease. Now, hepatic or hepatocellular or cholestatic jaundice are occurs due to the damage of the hepatic cells because of the damage that conjugated bilirubin from the liver cannot be excreted and it returns to the blood, causes infection by virus resulting hepatitis, viral hepatitis, alcoholic hepatitis, cirrhosis of liver, exposure to toxic materials. Post-hepatic or obstructive jaundice are occurs because of the obstruction of the bile flow at any level of the biliary system. The bile cannot be excreted into small intestine, so bile salt and bile pigments enters the circulation. The blood contains more amount of conjugated bilirubin. Cause, causes are gallstone, cancer, or biliary system, or pancreas. Hepatitis is the liver damage caused by the many agents, and it is characterized by the swelling and inadequate functioning of liver. Hepatitis may be acute or chronic. If severe conditions, it may lead to liver failure and death. The causes of type viral infection, bacterial infection, exposure, consumption of alcohol. Excess administration of the drugs like paracetamol, poison like carbon tetrachloride and aflatoxin, Wilson disease, circulatory insufficiency, inheritance from mother during the partition. Viral hepatitis is the type of the hepatitis caused by the viruses, and it causes by two types of virus, hepatitis A and hepatitis B, mainly by intake of the water and food contaminated with the hepatitis virus, sharing needles with infected person, accidental prick by the infected needle, having unprotectable sex with the infected person, inheritance from the mother during the partition, blood transfusion from infected donor, hepatitis caused by the hepatitis B. Virus is more common and considered more serious because it may lead to the cirrhosis and cancer of liver. The features of the hepatitis are fever, nausea, vomiting, diarrhea, and loss of appetite, headache and weakness. In addition of the chronic, chronic hepatitis, a chronic hepatitis is characterized by stomach pain, paleness of skin, dark colored of the urine, and pale stool, jaundice, personality changes. Cirrhosis of liver is refers to the inflammation of the damage of the parenchyma of liver. It results in dangerous degeneration of the. It results in degeneration of the hepatic cells by and dysfunction of the liver. Causes are similarly like infection, retention of bile liver due to the obstruction and duct of biliary system, enlargement of the liver due to the intoxication, inflammation around the liver, pre-hepatitis, infiltration of fat and hepatitis cells, fever, vomiting, jaundice, increased heart rate and cardiac output, portal hypertension, muscular weakness and wasting of muscles, drowsiness, lack of concentration, and confused state of mind, coma in advanced stage. Now, gallstone. It is a solid crystal deposit that is a formation formed by the cholesterol, calcium, iron, and bile pigments in the gallbladder or bile duct. Polylithiasis is the presence of gallstone in gallbladder. It is the presence of the gallstone in the bile duct also. Now, normally cholesterol presence in the bile combines with the bile salts and lecithin, which make the cholesterol soluble in water. Under some abnormal conditions, this water-soluble cholesterol precipitate resulting in the formation of the gallstone. Initially, small quantity of the cholesterol initially begins the mucosa of the gallbladder. The stimulate further formation of the crystal, and the crystal grow larger and larger, and later bile pigments and calcium are attached to these crystals, resulting in the formation of the gallbladder. Now, causes reduction in bile stan and bile salts and lecithin, excess of cholesterol, disturbed cholesterol and metabolism, excess of calcium ions due to the increased concentration of bile. The damage or infection of the gallbladder epithelium, it alters the absorptive function and the mucous membrane of the gallbladder. Sometimes there is excessive absorption of water or even bile salt, leading to increased concentration of cholesterol, bile pigments, and calcium ions, obstruction of the bile flow from the gallbladder, and it is diagnosed the presence of the gallstone is diagnosed by the ultrasonography and scanning of the chorioangiography. Chorioangiography is the radiological study of the biliary duct after the administration of the concentrate contrast media, and common features of the gallstone is the pain in the stomach. So namaste. Hope you all are satisfied with this digital version 2.0 session. And if you have any questions or queries, please mention in the comment box. So we will have arranged a problem solving live session for your queries or questions. Thanking you very much.